Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video I will tell you if you are facing the problem in your Twitter account that suspicious login prevented when you are trying to log in your Twitter account. How to fix this problem I will tell you in this video. You just need to follow some simple steps I will tell you in this video and your problem will be solved. Hope you like this video and subscribe our channel. So to fix this problem, first of all go to the help center of your Twitter. So in the help center you need to go to the contact your support team section. Here what you need to do, you need to select the topic which problem you are facing in your app. So in here I am trying to regain access to my account. Select this option and click on the third option. I believe my account is hacked. So after clicking on this option, a new page will appear here. So here they will ask that are you able to log in your account. You need to select on the no, and after this entering your date of birth and the last time when you access your account, enter all the information, and after this you need to enter the one thing to access back in your account, like email address or phone number. Enter any one thing between them. So here I am entering this, and after this you need to select down your country, in which country do you live, and select the country code. So I am here selecting my country. So after selecting the country, new page will appear here, and they will ask the mobile number. You need to simply click this and describe your problem which you are facing. Write down all the problem regarding suspicious account and upload the image regarding the problem and put here. After this you need to submit all this thing and wait for some time, and your problem will be solved. Hope you like this video and subscribe our channel.